Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore background cleanup with DaVinci Resolve Magic Mask, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Import the footage you want to work with by dragging it into the media pool. Drag your clip onto the timeline. Select the clip on the timeline to make sure it's active. Go to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the bottom of the screen. Find the Magic Mask tool on the right side of the panel. Click on the Magic Mask icon to select it. In the viewer, use the brush to paint over the subject you want to keep. Once you finish painting, click on the Analyze button to let DaVinci Resolve process the mask. After processing, adjust the mask's edges by fine-tuning the settings in the Inspector panel. Switch to the Refine option to enhance the mask's edges further. If needed, go back to the Paint tool to add or subtract from the mask. Once satisfied, ensure the background is properly masked out. Now, create a new node by pressing Alt+S or right-clicking in the node area. Connect this new node to your current node and select it. In this new node, you can apply effects or corrections to the background. Go to the effects library if you want to add a background or any other visual effects. Import or select your new background and place it in the timeline under your original clip. Adjust the size and position of the new background clip in the viewer. Once everything looks good, play through the clip to check the changes. Make any further adjustments as necessary to ensure a smooth transition. Finally, render your project by going to the Deliver tab. Choose your desired render settings and click on Add to Render Queue. Press Start Render to export your final video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.